I'm Shivam Shrivastava, Manager Retail Sales, Pune 4 Sales Area, posted in Pune Divisional Office. So we have organized this event today. We have donated around 25 boxes of 50 samples of each hand sanitizers and 1300 number of surgical masks to BJ Medical College in association with our NGO partner FAST. And we have done this activity at 5 cities in India. This hand sanitizer IOC Rub Clean, this is our own IOCL product, and as a part of our CSR activities, we have given this product to the hospital for its use, and the students and the patients who visit this college and the hospital can use those facilities. And as a part of IOCL, we are always involved in CSR activities, and we have been doing some great work in the school, constructing the ladies toilets in the schools and hospitals. Also we have donated hand sanitizers in the period of COVID-19 when the pandemic was going on in the country. We have been organizing free langars at our retail outlets all across the India, especially on national highways where migrant workers were traveling barefooted without any food and water. We have organized food and water at our retail outlets, and many of the customers of our outlet have availed those facilities. So as a part of proud IOCN, I think this is a very good initiative, and we would like to continue this in the near future also. Thank you so much.
FAST commenced its journey from March 2015. Within the span of nearly 6 years, it has worked in several camps relating to blood donation, blanket distribution, health, slum children's well-being, and at COVID times, distribution of masks and PPE to hospitals. FAST works in the areas in West Bengal like Panagarh, Sansar Kolkata, South Chowbish Pargana and Bajbaj, and hospitals at Pune, Maharashtra. FAST, with a band of dedicated professionals and workers, looks forward to work in projects relating to health, education with commitment and dedication.
Well, a pleasure to speak a few words about NGO FAST. The full form of FAST is Pleasure Heart Action for Social Transformation. The idea of this NGO came way back, say more than 10 years back, when one girl from a slum or a basti was adopted, and we supported for the education. Gradually switched over to the second, then third, and then we understood we have to bring a bigger umbrella to do something for society in a well concorded, very, very systematic plan. Hence, this NGO was formed, and all ornaments as required to be in the country was made. We are supporting different areas for underprivileged children's education, orphanage, old age home, health, hygiene, and many more. We are not only confined to Kolkata and West Bengal. We are spread pan-India. All our trustee members spread in different parts of the country consider this logo or this flag of FAST, and they try to reach masses or societies. This is how we have come. Need not to say much more on this short duration of a solicit your blessings and wishes that we come forward and serve for the greater cause of society in a much better and a bigger way. Thank you so much.